Hello and welcome to Food and Beverage Studios at IIHM Pune. Today we are going to make something very interesting which is related to the local food, local culture of Maharashtra, and for that I'm going to pick up a concept of fat washed cocktail. So very quickly I'm going to tell you what exactly is fat washed cocktails and then let's get on making it. So what we have here today is a traditional Maharashtrian non-vegetarian preparation. In the local language it's called as mutton rasa. It is basically lamb curry with a lot of fat, and that's what you see here on the surface of the curry. So we're going to use that as the base for the fat washing of our alcohol today. Fat washing basically means that you extract all the flavors from the fat that's there and then mix it along with the alcohol that we're going to use today. For today's cocktail, I'm going to use a neutral spirit, so I'm going to use a vodka, which is a Beluga vodka, Russian Beluga vodka. But alternatively, you can also use any kind of white spirit. Apart from gin, you could use a white rum, for example, or a tequila, which would also go well for this cocktail. So let's get started and let's start making this cocktail. So what I'm doing here is basically extracting all the fat which is on the surface of this curry. I'm just going to take a spoon and get all that fat. It's almost warm, this particular curry that I have. I'm going to drop this inside a good bowl. It could be a glass bowl. Remember, you have to freeze this container later on, so ensure that you've got a freeze-proof container, because you'll have to store it at least for a couple of hours so that we get all the fat separated from the alcohol. Try and get as much as fat as possible and then drop in there. Okay, all you have to do is scrape off the excess. What videos we see for fat wash cocktails, they usually have bacon or lamb fat or truffle oil which is used as a base. Over here we are just trying to be a bit more innovative and trying to extract all the flavors from the local food and the local delicacy of Maharashtra, which is the mutton rasa. So it's got a lot of whole spices, this particular curry. So I don't want to use any of the aged spirits, because if you have oak, play with the flavors of the curry, up those two flavors of the oak because of the aging process and the flavors of the curry here. So trying to use a neutral spirit, okay, which is vodka in this case. So I'm going to drop in around 2 ounces or 60 ml of the vodka. Okay, just drop it in there. Okay. When you're trying to keep this at low temperatures, only the alcohol will get separated and the rest of the fat will solidify. But what happens during this process is that all the flavors from the fat are extracted and your alcohol is flavored with all those, traditional Maharashtrian spices that are there in the curry. Your alcohol gets flavored with that. That's what we want for our cocktail. So I'm going to keep this closed in the container and put this thing in the fridge for the next couple of hours, and then we will come back and finish the cocktail. So there we are. This is how it will look after a couple of hours. Okay, we are hoping that the fat is solidified. Yes, it looks solidified. What you have to do is just take a teaspoon and break through the fat. And what you have at the bottom is lovely looking flavored vodka with the traditional Maharashtrian curry. And I'm going to strain it off. You can use a regular strainer for this one, nothing fancy. And lovely looking golden liquid that we have. It's basically vodka, but now it is flavored with the curry. Right, so let's start making a cocktail. All you need for the cocktail is some ice, some freshly squeezed lime juice, Okay, so lime is the best accompaniment for any Indian, spicy curry. So I'm going to squeeze in some lime, and then just to tone down a bit of the spice that we have, I'm going to drop in 20 ml of honey in there. And our lovely golden spirit. Smells great already. And then what we're going to do is give it a nice shake and let all the flavors mix in nicely. Okay, ideally you would serve this with lots of ice in an old-fashioned glass. Okay, so now let's pour our cocktail over ice and find out how it looks. Okay, so it's got this bright lemony color, and make things interesting, I'm going to garnish this with zest of orange. So what you can do is just squeeze the orange zest over the cocktail and roll it, shove it inside. That's all. Great. So enjoy this cocktail and wish you a very happy festive season ahead. Thank you.